everybody, welcome back to the Vehicle Corral. We are going to continue on with our Lobo series today, and we're super excited because AWE has sent us their resonated dual exhaust system for a Tremor F-150. Now what we understand is that Tremor F-150 exhaust and the Lobo exhaust are actually very similar to each other. So today we are going to go ahead and bolt this up on Mia and make her sound absolutely amazing.
Here is the stock exhaust system on the Lobo. With its black tips and dual pipes, it is a very nice system, but man is it heavy compared to the AWE system. We're super excited to get this off and get the new one on, and we can't wait to hear how it sounds.
So we're going to take these two 13mm bolts out first, and then we're going to hit up this clamp, which are all 15mm. After your bolts are released here, your clamps loosened up here, these are two 10mm bolts that you're going to take out so that we can get this off and we're able to maneuver the exhaust out. Two hangers, one on each side, all 10mm sockets. Those are all out. The 10mm socket hanger that was here is out. We've already taken the resonator out of here. So now we're going to push back on the muffler, get the muffler disengaged from the dual pipes, and then we'll be able to get the dual pipes out, and then we'll be able to start putting the AWE exhaust in. So we have the stock muffler system out. As you can see, everything is taken away. We got lots of space there. And here is the stock exhaust system on the ground. And man, can I tell you, it is extremely heavy comparative to the AWE exhaust. Even just looking at the muffler there versus the AWE 180 technology muffler. You can see the resonator, the size of the resonator is about the same length, but it's definitely skinnier and definitely a weight savings.
Installing the AWE exhaust is pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to basically do the opposite of what we just did, taking off the stock exhaust. All of the fitment was absolutely perfect. All the hardware was great, and things went very smoothly. As you can see here in our video, we were able to install it fairly quickly once we got the stock exhaust off.
Using the factory 13mm nuts, you're going to go ahead and bolt the resonated pipe up to your header pipe. Make sure you put your clamp on before you start putting more piping on. It's always a bad day when you forget to do that.
I can't say it enough how much weight savings there is with this system over the stock system. It makes it so much easier to install this as well because the system is so much lighter than the stock pieces that it is replacing. Once we had all the pipes installed, we went through and made sure we had everything tightened down properly and got ready to install those black diamond tips. Now we went with the black diamond tips because the Lobo stock exhaust tips were black, but these are absolutely beautiful. They look amazing and they just fill up the cutouts in the rear bumper so much better than the stock ones do. Now you can have these flush, you can have them stick out, you can do them any way that you feel like it's a good look for you. We decided that we wanted the AWE logo to stick out just a little bit so that people that are walking in the back of the truck could look down and see the logo and also kind of show off those beautiful tips a little bit more than if we had them pushed all the way back and flush with the bumper. Once we checked everything over and made sure that we felt like they were even and in the place that we wanted them to be in, we went ahead and bolted each tip down and checked for final fitment, making sure that we had clearance on the bumper so that we had no rattles, and then just making sure overall that everything was nice and tight and the way it should be. Here you can see the final exhaust installed and what it looks like underneath the truck. The quality and the craftsmanship are fantastic. AWE did an amazing job. Everything has perfect clearance. There's no issues with rubbing. There's no place where we see that there would be any issues when we actually are going down the road. The system went together perfectly. It was very easy to install, and these 5-inch black tips look absolutely amazing on Mia. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for, let's fire her up and hear this exhaust system sing.
Our install video of the AWE resonated Tremor exhaust system for the F-150. The Lobo, since it's a brand new package, we wanted to check it out. We're super excited that it fit in there perfectly. It sounds amazing, and we couldn't be happier. So thank you so much, AWE, for the quality exhaust system. You guys always have top-notch products, and we love the way your stuff sounds. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel for more content like this. We've got tons more Lobo stuff coming. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you out there.